Sometimes it rains and sometimes you need an ark. Have peace knowing that at some point the rain has got to end. It is the rainy season here in Florida, so we've been enduring a lot of the wet stuff, but people are stressing out about it. It's kind of funny because they complain for so long we need rain. Now that it's raining, we need sunshine, and it goes on and on and on and on. But eventually it will come to an end, and that's how life goes around. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a piece of me moment. Have a peaceful day.